I've never really done a voiceover type video on top of a video before, but this is it.
Sonny Daniel advertisers.
Bow, 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 bow.
Just showing you, you know, what my hair looks like before. I guess that's what I'm doing. This is my voiceover. I never really, what am I doing? So I'm still in the mirror, plucking out my hair, showing you how it looks before I take a shower. Turn the shower on, grab your head and shoulders. So you get out the shower, you pat dry yourself off, pat dry your hair a little bit. You don't want to dry it too much. You still want to keep your wetness in your hair just so it's not dripping. Grab your lotion, either that lotion right there, or the coconut version, which I'll put on the screen. Get about a handful of it, rub it through your hair, get it in there deep, get all in your roots, get it all through your curls, man. Get it all through there. Keep rubbing it through. You don't want to comb it through, you just want to rub it in there. Just get it in there in the back. This sounds like I'm talking about something else. Just get it in there, you know what I'm saying? Rub it from the back, just get it in there. Then boom, that's it, bruh. That's how I do my hair. And then basically what I'll do is I'll take my hair and either leave it like this and just let it air dry, which is kind of long in this right now, but I usually put it in a ponytail just so it's out my face, which I'll have a video clip right here. So yeah, sometimes I take something like this and just go ahead and tie it up. Just take it, just so it keeps it out my face some throughout the day when I'm doing stuff. And this will just kind of keep the curls going backwards, and then when I take this off, it'll come up and then it'll just be out. You know, just keep everything kind of tied back. This is my first voiceover video, so it might be a little weird. I might be talking over myself talking. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. I only use these two products. And what I've realized is that the coconut one gives you a looser, almost nothing's in your hair feel. And the blue one, the argan oil one, that will tighten your hair up almost like a gel. So if you don't like that hard texture in your hair and you don't like your curls to be really, really stiff and really, really like tight, then I would go with the coconut version. And if your hair is really long, like how mine is, and you want it to kind of stay compact, then I would go with the argan just because it compacts your curls. Most people's hair isn't as long as mine, so I would recommend the coconut OGX lotion over the argan oil. That's the one I use mostly. So hope this helped y'all. Make sure y'all send me videos, send me pictures, send me comments either on here or on Instagram. Morning routines, night routines, I will be doing some, but I just wanted to get this out to y'all because I've been promising it forever. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.
Let me see you dance. I love to watch